Next one. What is this? Wolf? Oh, fox! Fox? What does a fox say? What does a fox? Tenma senpai. Oh, okay. Tenma senpai. And Tenma senpai yells a lot, so we can be like. No, I'm gonna do it again. At the end, there's something that you must sing. Yeah, that's her. This is her. This is her for sure. Yeah. Perfecto. Yeah. Speak. Oh my god, they're so loud. They're so freaking loud. Oh my god, it is in stereo. Tenma senpai is so loud. Okay, let's look for different senpais. Who else? Is there any rabbit so I can do Pippa senpai? Tiger? There's a tiger? How are you guys seeing this? I don't see anything. Yeah, it's a goat. It's a goat. Oh, wait. Goat? We make it just normal goat. Yeah. Oh no, wait, no. The goat is opening his mouth little very, very loud. So we're gonna do it. Wait, we're gonna call it Pippa senpai? Okay, I like that. We're gonna do it Pippa goat. Yeah, Pippa goat. And senpai's gonna love me, right? Since I call her goat. Pippa the goat. Oh yeah, we have to put the goat. Pippa the goat. Yeah. And then, what kind of sound should I make? Cause Pippa senpai swears a lot. Make it sound beep. No, but she swears a lot though, right? I'm a superstar. Oh, I know what to do.